Good morning, students. In previous class, I have done question number 1 of exercise 4.2. Today, we will do question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, students, let's start. Pause it and take a screenshot. Question number 2 to 8. Pause it and take a screenshot. Okay. Question number 2. A train carrying 21,284 passengers. There are 999 children. Find the number of adults in the train. Okay, in a train there are 21,284 passengers. Okay, there are 999 children. Find the number of adults in the train. If we subtract total number of children from total passenger to get number of adults in the train. Okay, students, the total number of passengers is equal to 21,284. Okay, number of children (999). Okay, if we subtract number of children from total number of passenger, we get total number of adults. Okay, number of adults. Okay, subtract ones digit. Subtract 9 from 4. 4 is less than 9, so we cannot subtract 9 from 4. Okay, so we will borrow 1/10. Okay, we will borrow 1/10. 8 becomes 7. Okay, and 4 becomes 14. Okay, subtract 9 from 14 is equal to 5. Subtract the tens digit. 9 from 7. 7 is less than 9, so we cannot subtract 9 from 7. Okay, students, so we will borrow 100. Okay, 100. 2 becomes 1 and 7 becomes 17. Okay, students, subtract 7 from 17 is equal to 8. Okay, subtract 100th digit. Subtract 9 from 1. We cannot subtract 9 from 1. 1 is less than 9, so we will borrow 1000. Okay, 1000. So we will become 1000. 1 becomes 0. 1 becomes 0 and 1 becomes 11. Okay, to subtract 100th digit. 9 from 11 is equal to 2. Okay, there is no number. Okay, we don't have in thousands and 10,000. Subtract 0. We write thousands, 0 and 2, 10,000. Okay. The number of adult 20,285. Okay, students. Question number 3. Okay, look at the question. Meena purchased bed and chair for 50,000 if the cost of bed is 35,984. Find the cost of chair. Okay, Meena purchased the cost of bed and chair. The cost of bed and chair is given 50,000. Okay, the cost of bed is 35,984. If we subtract the cost of bed from the cost of bed and chair, so we will find the cost of chair. Okay, students. Let's question number 2. The cost of question number 3. Sorry, the cost of bed and chair is equal to 50,000. Okay, the cost of bed is equal to 35,984. Okay, we subtract cost of bed from the cost of bed and chair, so we will find the cost of chair. The cost of chair. Okay, students. Subtract ones digit. Subtract ones digit. Okay. Subtract ones digit. 4 from 0. 0 is less than 4, so we cannot subtract. Okay, so we will borrow from tens. Tens, we don't have tens to borrow. Okay, 100, we don't have borrow 200s. Thousands, we don't have borrow tens, 100 and 1000. We will borrow 10,000. Okay, 5 becomes 4. Okay, 10 becomes 9. Sorry, 0 becomes 10. Okay, we will borrow 1,000. Okay, so 10 becomes 9 and 0 becomes 10. Okay, we will borrow 100s. 10 becomes 9 and 0 becomes 10. Okay, we will borrow 110, so 10 becomes 9 and 0 becomes 10. Okay, students. Okay, so subtract 4 from 10 is equal to 6. Subtract tens. 8 from 9 is equal to 1. Subtract hundreds. 9 from 9 is equal to 0. Subtract thousands. 5 from 9 is equal to 4. Subtract 10,000. 3 from 4 is equal to 1. Okay, the cost of the chair 14,016 rupees. Okay, 14,016 rupees. Understand, everyone? The cost of a chair 14,016 rupees. Next question. Question number 4. In a library, there are 1,31,476 books. Okay. If the number of books in Hindi are 1,16,348, find the number of books in other language. Okay. There are 1,31,476. Total number of books 1,31,476. Okay. Number of books in Hindi are 1,16,348. If we subtract number of books in Hindi, if we subtract number of books in Hindi from total number of books, so we will find the number of books in other language. Okay, so this question do yourself. Okay, next question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. What should be added to 66,839 to make it 90,000? Okay, students. Okay, what should be added to this to make it 90,000? If we subtract 66,839 from 19,000, so we will get to know what will be added to 66,839. Okay, students. 90,000 66,839. Okay, students, subtract one's digit. Okay, subtract 9 from 0. So we cannot subtract. We don't have tens, hundreds, thousands to borrow from. So we will borrow 10,000. Okay, 10,000, 10. So we will borrow 10,000. 9 becomes 8. We will borrow 10,000. So 9 becomes 8. And 1,000 becomes, and 0 becomes 10,000. Okay. We will borrow 1,000. Okay. We will borrow 1,000 from 10,000. 10,000 becomes 9. And 0 becomes 10 hundreds. Okay. We will borrow 100 from 1000. 10 becomes 9 and 0 becomes 10 tens. Okay, we will borrow 110 from 10 tens. 10 becomes 9 and 0 becomes 10. Okay, subtract one's digit. 9 from 10 is equal to 1. Subtract tens digit. 3 from 9 is equal to 6. Subtract hundredth digit. 8 from 9 is equal to 1. Subtract thousand digit. 3 from 9 is equal to 6. 6 from 8 is equal to 2. Okay. Okay. If we add 23,161 to 66,000, if we add 23,161 to 66,839, so we will get we will get 90,000. Okay students, 23,161. Next question, question number 6. Question number 6. From which number should we subtract 3,37,343 to get 94,493? If we subtract 94,493 from 3,37,340, so we will get know what should be subtracted from 3,37,343 to get 94,493. Like question number 6. Okay, arrange in columns according to their place. 3,37,343. Okay, 94,000. Arrange in columns according to their place. 493. Okay, subtract ones digit 3 from 3 is equal to 0. Subtract tens digit 9 from 4. We cannot subtract 9 from 4. 4 is less than 9. So we will borrow 1 hundreds from 3 hundreds. 3 hundreds becomes 2 hundreds. And 4 becomes 14. Okay. Subtract 9 from 14 is equal to 5. Okay. Subtract hundreds. 4 from 2. So we cannot subtract 4 from 2. So we will borrow 1,000 from 7,000. 7,000 becomes 6 and 2 becomes 12. Okay students. Subtract 4 from 12 is equal to 8. Okay, subtract 10,000. Subtract 1,000. 4 from 6 is equal to 2. Okay, subtract 10,000. So we cannot subtract 9 from 3. 3 is less than 9. So we will borrow 1 lakh from 2 lakh. Okay, so 3 becomes 2 and 3 becomes 13. Okay, sorry, 3 becomes 2. Okay, subtract 10,000. 9 from 13 is equal to 4. Okay, in lakh 2. Okay, 2,24,850. Okay, if we subtract 2,42,850 from 3,37,343, so we will get 94,493. Okay students, next question, question number 7. How much is 4,66,376 smaller than 8,67,946? Okay, if we subtract 4,66,376 from 8,67,943, so we will get to know 4,66,376 is how much less than 8,67,946. Okay, this question do yourself. I repeat it. I repeat it. How much is 4,66,376 smaller than 8,67,946? Okay, if we subtract 4,66,376 from this, so we will get to know 4,66,376 is how much less than 8,67,946. Okay students, everyone know question number 7, do yourself. Okay, question number 8. Reena earns 62,157 per month. Okay, if she deposit 20,800 in a bank, how much money is left with her? Okay, total amounts, total income is equal to 62,156. Okay, or deposit amount is equal to 20,800 in a bank. Okay, if we subtract deposit amount from total amount, we will get how much money is left with her. Okay, question number 7 and question number 8, do yourself. Okay, exercise 4.2, question number 8 to 8, complete on your notebook. In next class we will do exercise 4.3. Okay, complete on your notebook exercise 4.2. Okay, bye.